Let me guess. You tried to save money at the grocery store. You planned, you checked the sales ads, maybe even clipped a deal or two, and you promised yourself this time, no junk. And somehow, the receipts still punched you right in the face. It's not just prices, although they are crazy. But there's one grocery habit that almost nobody notices, and once you fix it, everything else gets easier. Let's get into it. Most people think that grocery overspending happens during that one big shopping trip. It really doesn't. It happens between trips. See, when you shop too often, your brain switches modes. You stop thinking in terms of meals and budgets, and you start thinking about cravings and convenience. You focus on what sounds good right now. Like my wife will text me, and she'll say, pick up some milk. Yeah, I get the milk, a box of cereal, a bag of chips, maybe some beef jerky at the checkout. That's when a $4 item turns into $40. Comment below if this has ever happened to you. Now, how can we avoid this? Here's a trap that most people fall into. Weekly grocery shopping, it feels responsible, but it's expensive because every trip creates new temptations, new impulse buys, and new might as well grab this moments. It's not that you're bad with money, you're just giving the store way too many chances to win. My uncle used to work in a Nevada casino, and I'll never forget what he told me one time. He said Vegas wasn't built on high roller tables, it was built on nickel machines. The store doesn't really need you to overspend every time and to blow your budget. They just need you to crack it a little bit and to do it often. So here's a mental shift that changes everything. You just reduce the number of grocery trips. Not more coupons, not extreme meal plans. Just fewer chances to mess it up. So if you normally shop every Sunday, try stretching it to every other Sunday. You'll be shocked at how much you already have at home, even when you're not constantly refreshing that pantry. And fewer trips mean fewer impulse buys, fewer treat yourself moments, fewer we're out of snack again, so let's run to the store. Your grocery store will drop without you trying harder. Most people don't have a grocery problem. They have a decision problem. And decisions cost energy that you don't have at the end of a long day. When you shop less, you make fewer decisions. You rely more on what you already have, and you get creative instead of consumptive. Suddenly, those leftovers stop feeling so much like failure, and they start feeling more like control. Here are 2 simple rules to make this work for you. 1, keep a small buffer of basics and quick fix meals at home. This will protect you from the need for that quick stop that can turn so costly. 2, plan your shopping for almost empty, not panic empty. Panic empty is where budgets go to die. Simply put, schedule your next shopping trip before you run out of food. It works great and avoids that dangerous thinking of, I'll just pick up a bucket of chicken. Grocery shop isn't fun the way it is, but less trips not only save you more money, they also save your sanity by avoiding that panic shopping. Saving money at the grocery store isn't just about discipline. It is about exposure, because the less often you walk into temptation, the less money you lose. You shop less, you waste less, and you keep more of what you already worked so hard for. That's how you stop letting your grocery cart steal your future. Now, if you want more grocery saving tips, make sure to check out the video I pinned in the comments. And if you're looking for other tips to earn more, owe less, and live better, join our community, because it's time to forge your life.